Diversey is an industry leader and innovator of dosing and dispensing platforms. I'm Gisela Marti Muniz, and on today's 2-minute drill, we are going to discuss one of the key features of the J-fill and RTD dispensing systems. A common component in a chemical dispensing system is a metering tip. Metering tips are extremely important to help ensure the accuracy of the chemicals being dispensed. Most dispensers in the market today use off-the-shelf metering tips that require someone to select the right tip by matching the chemical being used with the doctor flow rate. Then the metering tip needs to be installed in the dispensing system only to require replacement at some point down the road. Diversey's J-fill and RTD systems take the guesswork out of the dilution accuracy by placing the metering tips right inside the chemical bottles. What this means is that the correct metering tip comes already installed with every new product bottle. No installations or replacements needed. Diversey also has patented adductor technology and metering tip configurations with the ability to dilute from a range of 1 to 16 to 1 to 1024 with precision accuracy that no other company can replicate. We make the chemicals, adductors, and tips, so we are not limited to relying on off-the-shelf materials to ensure dilution accuracy. For questions or more information, please contact your Diversey representative or our technical support hotline.